It's the silence that comes when the rain drowns every other sound. You know, rain has a way of hiding things. Our tears, our fears, our memories we wish would fade. But somehow, standing here, I don't want to run anymore. I just want to feel every drop, to let the cold remind me that I'm still alive. The world feels slower when it rains, softer, quieter, kinder. So I stay, I breathe, and I walk through it, one step, one heartbeat at a time. Because sometimes running and getting soaked under the rain makes me feel calm again.